Hi, this is Bob Johnson, Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today I'll be answering a simple question we got in from one of those subscribers: how to find your micro SIM slot in your Panasonic ToughPad FCG1. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over. Now it's kind of hidden under the battery, so you want to make sure to remove that first. And then right here, where there are two screws, remove those. You can pull that little cover out the way, and that'll give you access to the micro SIM. Since this is just an example, I'll put that right back. And you just want to screw the cover back on, put the battery back. And that's it. That's where you find your micro SIM. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.